In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, tap on more icon then, and then select settings. Here locate and open voicemail, and now select notifications. And now select sound, so just click here, pick the sound that you would like to apply as your voicemail notification sound. As you can see, you've got plenty of possibilities, so let me choose, for example, Milky Way. Then go back, and as you can see, it has been already changed, so now voicemail notification sound is Milky Way. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.